wearing the Virgin Loose Curl, which is the texture that I purchased. So yeah. Now for the starter show. Opening up the bag so we can see what the hair looks like. So you get this little card. It tells you to let everything. So this is the hair. From what I can see, it looks nice. Feels good and soft. I mean, it doesn't have a foul smell or anything like that. To me, it just smells like any other hair that I purchased that I've smelled. It has a little thing here. The color, I asked for just a natural. They say the hair comes in natural brown or blacks, but it just looks like a typical, kind of like a number 2, I guess you could say. Let's open up the second one. Same thing, just a yummy card. Hair is pretty. No crazy smells, just typical hair smell. And what I'm going to do, as I always do, is just co-wash the hair and see the natural texture of it. Lets me see how the curls bounce back. But so far, yeah, I don't see anything, crazier.